I got some solar panels, got them mounted on the roof. I got a guy wire up, and these are full of water. I got two of them, so it's actually holding down in case of the wind or something. And I'll go up and show you what I've been working on. Off-grid solar system. I had 100 watts, which gets me by on everything I need to run, but now I got this big system. I don't know how many watts yet, but compared to 100, this should run a bunch more stuff. So that's how I got it mounted. I had to bridge two roof vents. That one I had to take off completely. I had this whirligig on, but I had to remove it. So that's how I did it, and that's why I used that guy wire to help hold it down. It's pretty heavy, but that's my solar system. Gonna get it hooked up pretty soon. Working on the solar system. I got the meter hooked up. It's kind of cloudy, but 17.8 volts. Got how to charge the batteries. I got the solar panels hooked up. They're charging the battery. It had 11 volts. I'd charged it for an hour or so. So it's charging. The off-grid solar so far is a success. I got to charge each battery and then I'll tie them all together to get more amp hours. But it's got USB plugs on this charge controller. Working.